guys, it's me, Caitlin O'Friel, and welcome back to another episode on my channel. I'm so happy to have you here, and I hope that you are cozy and savoring all of the fall vibes for as long as we can. In this episode, I will be showing you this little corner that I have in my dining room. I really love to decorate and use it as another focal point in the room, and it's just a lot of fun, so I hope you enjoy it. So right off the bat, I want to tell you one of my favorite ways, and probably one of the most inexpensive ways to decorate, is using festive cards that go with that theme or that season or holiday that you are decorating for. So for instance, I just used some Thanksgiving cards and I put them in picture frames. I think it looks good. I like it. Do you guys like it? I think it's a great way to decorate and really feel that cozy, warm Thanksgiving harvest vibe. So I highly recommend doing that if you don't want to go all out and decorate. You could easily use cards that you may have received in the mail, or maybe just go to Dollar Tree and pick up a few and put them right into your existing frames that you already have. So definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. Once again, I am using this window pane that I got from the trash. I was walking home one day and found it in the trash, and I brought it home with me. So I twined some garland and leaves and flowers and lights all together. I bunched them together and put them on the top. I think they look really pretty. I really like them. It's very similar to what I did in the Hutch video. If you haven't watched the Hutch video, please go check that out. I will link it down below as well as up here. Next up, I have this truck that I got from the Dollar General. I think it is so adorable and I love the coloring on it. It's just a fun, festive little pop of color, and it goes really well with the fall decor. Then I put some window clings, like little decals that I've had for so many years, and I just kind of reuse them every year. I got them from the Dollar Tree a long time ago, and I just put them on the little window pane. I think they add a little nice touch. So now we will move down to the floor area, and for the floor area, I actually put to use, again, I use this a lot for home decor, and it's actually a picnic basket that I received as a gift from one of my really good friends. It's one of the greatest gifts I've ever received. I absolutely love having picnics, so it's definitely good for that, but I also like to use it as home decor, so I simply just put that down there. I really wanted to get like big things of hay, but I don't even know where to get that. I'm thinking maybe Home Depot, but I couldn't find them anywhere, and to be honest, I didn't really want to spend the money on it anyway, so I kind of tried to achieve the same concept, but instead I used a picnic basket. So I hope that you can try to, think outside of the box and get creative, and don't feel like you need a certain amount of money or you need a certain product to create a similar vibe. Because I think for me, this little picnic basket works just as well as a stack of hay would have. And how I kind of achieved that look to kind of give off that vibe, I just added a couple of pieces of, well, I guess more than a couple, but I added some hay, or fake hay obviously, that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just put them around the picnic basket. On top of the picnic basket, I have an array of acorns and pine cones and leaves and a bunch of different little pumpkins and things like that. A lot of which I already had, and I also got a pack from Amazon for a few dollars that I will link in my Amazon storefront, so be sure to check that out.
Everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no.
thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it brought you some more cozy autumn vibes. And I hope that you have a really good Thanksgiving, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of this fall season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe and be a part of this little DIY community, it would mean so much to me. So I really hope that you would consider that, and if you do, just hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, see you again. Oh yes, and a public service announcement. Oh yes, and a PSA, public service announcement. I will have most of these items linked in my description box down below, as well as my Amazon storefront. So go follow me on my Amazon storefront and stay tuned for a lot of really fun items that you can purchase that will make really great gifts for the holiday season. And here is a little sneak peek to see what's to come on my channel. This will be the next video.
And I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you want to glimpse the future.
Those are some scenes from my next video, so stay tuned for that because it'll be coming out in a few days.